Welcome to qnawire.
To solve this question, we have to evaluate PR by using the expressions for the wave functions psi 210, 211, and 21-1. The expression for those wave functions can be found on the book at equation 9 from chapter 39. Then the only thing we have to do is substitute the expressions in the expression for PR. Then, by substituting, we get PR is equals to 4 pi r squared times, there is a common factor of 1/3, we can put it out, and then we get psi 210 squared, but it's the absolute value squared. Psi 210 is a real valued function, so we don't have to worry about complex conjugate and just square it to get 32 pi r0 to the 5th divided by z squared e to minus r over r0. There was this 2 here, but as we have squared it, this 1 over 2 gets an extra factor of 2, and they cancel out. The next factor is the one for 211. Note that the wave function for 211 isn't real, it has a complex part. So to actually evaluate this, we have to do psi 211 times psi 211 complex conjugate. And by doing that, we get the following: x squared plus y squared divided by 64 pi r0 to the 5th times z to minus r over r0 plus, and then we have the last expression, which is for psi 21 minus 1. Again, it has a complex part here, so you have to be careful, and to calculate the absolute value squared, you have to do psi 211 times psi 211 complex conjugate. By doing that, you get the following: x squared plus y squared times z, the minus r divided by r0, and this is all divided by 64 pi r0 to the 5th, and that's it. Now, we can put out the common factors, so we get the following: PR is equals to 4 pi r squared divided by 3 times, so we have this common factor of 32 pi r0 squared, which we can put out, and then we have also this factor which is common, so we can put it out too, and we are left with z squared plus x squared plus y squared plus x squared plus y squared, but this is divided by 2 and this is divided by 2. Then we get the pi simplify with the other pi, and we get PR is equals to 4r squared divided by 96 r0 to the 5th times z to minus r over r0 times z squared plus x squared plus I squared, by summing this term with this term. And note that this is just r squared. Then we got PR is equals to 4r squared times z to minus r divided by r0 times r squared, and this is all divided by 96 times r0 to the 5th. Then we can simplify these terms out, dividing by 2, and we can divide by 2 again, and finally we get that PR is equals to r to the 4th divided by 24 r0 to the 5th times z to minus r divided by r0 as our final answer.